welcome back to my channel, Crystal's Corner, my little corner of the country. Today I am bringing you my I Love Jewelry subscription. Just got this in the mail finally yesterday, and I'm excited to open it, even though I know what's in it. This subscription, the one that I do, is the I Love Jewelry swag bag is what it's called, and it's only $11.95 a month, but you pay $5 shipping, so it's $16.95 a month, and you get one clothing item that is monogrammed. And the quality of the items at this place is spectacular, and I think the price, $11.95 and then $5 shipping and handling, is wonderful. The only qualm I would have with it is this drafts out of my account on the 1st of the month, and you see I just got it yesterday, so it's the what, the 25th, I think, I don't know. So it takes a good while, and these guys are in Florida and I'm in North Carolina, but I guess the monogramming process takes a while because these girls work really hard. Now, and I do know that the owner of this company is super great, and her and her little people that work with her, they're great. The reason why I like them is they're easy to work with, and they're just something I was gonna say about her, and I can't remember what. Her name is Jordan, and she has an Instagram called Just Jordan, or the I Love Jewelry Instagram, but her personal page is Just Jordan. What was I gonna say about her? I drew a blank. Does that happen to y'all? I swear. I have CRS disease. Can't remember. Listen. But anyway, I don't know. I just really like this company, and they have a coffee talk every week that you can get on Facebook on the I Love Jewelry. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. She created this company because she loves jewelry, and it's a little confusing because the one I get is called the swag bag, and it's clothing. And they have a mono box, it's clothing. They have a pajama subscription, obviously pajamas, and then they have a jewelry subscription. And I think they have some other ones, some mystery boxes and different things. But the reason why it's called I Love Jewelry is because Jordan started it as a jewelry company because she loves jewelry. So she stuck with her name, and I appreciate that. I think that's super cool. So anyway, this is the I Love Jewelry swag bag, $11.95, $16.95 with shipping and handling every month. And they always make it relevant to the month. So this one is January swag bag, and it is to do with February, which would be Valentine's. That's why I have on this sweater today. It is my Lips sweater. And I'll show you something else. It's super cute. Hold on. I don't know if I can get my leg up here or not. So I have on my Lips sweater, and oh, I'm gonna have to bring it down here. My Lips sweater and my Lips socks. So I'm all Valentine-y. Okay, put my shoe back on. That was just a little extra there for you. All right, let's see what I got. Well, I know what I got. They give you spoilers, and you pretty much know what you have, but it's just fun to get. All right, so they send you your little receipt. Tells you the monogram swag bag, monthly tea subscription is what they call it. That, and then, ooh, get 15% off your next order. If you go on the ilovejewelry.com website and type in, what's it say? New Year 15, then you get 15% off your order. Want even more coupons? Text ILJ, I Love Jewelry, to 29, I can't see, hang on a second. Text ILJ to 29691 for 15% off plus weekly deals. Watch the Coffee Talk every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. on Facebook and Instagram. Follow us at Shop I Love Jewelry. So here you go. Here's all the information if you want to try them out. They are super fantastic. Love this company. And it says thank you for shopping with us. All right, and again, this is February. I mean, it's January's box for February. This is a shirt, long sleeved, and it's name brand Jordan. That's funny, ironic. And a large, that's what I asked for. Here's my monogram. CBS, isn't that funny? CBS, I'm glad it's not CBS, it's CSB. So anyway, long sleeve. And the super cute thing about this long sleeve shirt is look at the elbows. They're hearts for Valentine's. So this is gonna be really cute. I love it. All right, so that is it for today. That's all I have. And I have a Nadine West coming up and a thread up coming up and some other things coming up, so stay tuned. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And thank you for returning and watching my videos. And I thought Tucker was gonna come say hello, my little doggy, but he isn't. He's just walking around my feet. Okay, I'm gonna go. Me and my husband are taking the dog for a walk. Have a blessed weekend. Bye.